Assalamualaikum and good morning everybody. Okay, as for today we are going to learn about gardening. Gardening. We will learn about gardening tools. Okay, gardening tools, peralatan untuk berkebun. Okay, what are gardening tools that we are going to learn today? Okay, the first one is shovel. Shovel. shovel, shovel. Okay, next one. This is a hoe. Hoe, Hoe, hoe. What is this? This is a troll. This is a troll. Trowel, troll. What you can see in the picture? Okay, this is a rake. This is a rake. R-A-K-E, rake. Next one, you can see a wheelbarrow. 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 This is a watering can. Watering can. Watering can. Watering can. Okay, what you can see in the picture? This is a lawnmower. 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 Next one, you can see a pair of boots. Boots. B-O-O-T-S. Boots. Next one, this is a hose. This is a hose. H-O-S-E. Hose. And what are these? These are gloves. 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 Next one and the last one. This is a hand fork. Hand fork. Handfork. Hand fork. Next, we are going to learn about vegetables. Vegetables are sayur-sayuran. Let us name some type of vegetables today. The first one is chili. Chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. The next one is okra. Okra. O-K-R-A. Okra. What you can see in the picture, this is an aubergine. Aubergine. A-U-B-E-R-G-I-N-E. Aubergine. Next one, this is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. And the last one is spinach. This is a spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Okay, and homework for today. Take out your activity book, turn to page 50. Okay, first, don't forget to write down the day and date for today. Okay, so today is Wednesday, 7 July 2021. Okay, look at the first question. What is this? This is a chili. Spell chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. Okay, and then what is this? This is an okra. You spell okra here. O-K-R-A. Okra. What are these? Okay, why we use are this? Here we use is this. Is we use for one thing. This also for one thing. What are these? We use are these for things that more than one. Okay, as you can see, there are two trolls here. So, what are these? These are trolls. And don't forget to put S. Okay. And the last question, what are these? You have to answer. These are rakes. These are rakes. Don't forget to put S. Next, you have to turn to page 53. On page 53, okay, don't forget to write down the day and date. And you can see pictures of 5 vegetables and 5 gardening tools. So all vegetables name you have to put here inside the vegetable column, and you group all gardening tools here. Okay, let's say number 1. I can see an okra. Okay, so I put here O-K-R-A, and I also can see boots. Okay, B-O-O-T-S, boots. Okay, you finish all, and don't forget to take picture and send to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, as for this week, only 2 pages that you have to finish. Okay, until we meet again next week. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.